welcome back. We are leaving for California tomorrow. I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't seen my parents in forever, and I'm so excited to just spend some time with them, let them see the baby, of course. But I wanted to do a little pack with me and show you guys what I am packing for the baby. I've never traveled with her on a plane before. She's gone to like the beach and stuff like that, but never on a flight. So I'm hoping she behaves for us, and I'm hoping that I pack correctly. Thank the Lord we're only going to California, and my mom has a lot of stuff for her already. So if we forget anything or if she ruins anything, we have a washer, we can go to Target. Life will be good. But I am going to show you what I do have packed for her. Alright, so I did get packing cubes. Never used them before, but I'm really excited to try them out, see how they work. Hopefully they save me a little bit of space. But I did pack her a few outfits, so I have some shorts and a long sleeve, a couple onesies, of course all of her bows are laid out, and then some extras just in case she decides to have a blowout or spit up on them or whatnot. I'm bringing her one pair of shoes and some sandals, a swimsuit because she is going to go swimming, and I'm so excited. Look at how freaking cute this is with her sunnies and her hat, of course. A few pairs of pajamas, some extra pacifiers, and then I'm bringing some sunscreen, diaper cream, portable noise machine, her two loveys. The bunny she likes, but she's obsessed with this dang llama. My dad got it for her, and it is like her favorite thing. She just sits there and munches on this tag. Look at this. Nasty. So that's her favorite thing. Tina is her name. She will be coming with us. And then just two soft books my mom got her for the plane. Hopefully that'll keep her entertained if she's not sleeping. Yeah, it should be really interesting. I have a couple more things obviously to pack for her, but we're still doing some of her laundry and some of the things she's gonna need obviously until we leave. So I'm gonna bring her a noise machine, which is down here, up there. We have a stroller coming with us, obviously some more wipes, all that fun stuff, all the diaper bags, goodies. So that's coming with us. I still have to pack that, and I still have to pack myself, and I friggin' have no clue what to pack. So yeah, but it's gonna be warm weather, and I'm super excited. It's been pretty rainy here, except for like, of course, now when we leave, the sun decides to come out, but it'll be back next week too, so I'm excited for that. Yay. But yeah, so let's see how these fit in the packing cubes. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so all of her stuff seemed to fit in this small packing cube right here, and then in this one I just have like her wipes and, not wipes, her creams and bows and her brush and stuff like that. So that is all her stuff, and then we're gonna bring Tina and these books on the plane with us. So those will go in her diaper bag. But I still have like all these packing cubes left, so I'm gonna use these for myself. This one's pretty big. I think they hold like a lot of stuff, so I'm really excited about using these. Hopefully they hold up well for me. But like we have this bag too, this huge bag, and this shoe bag. So pretty good investment for only like $12 on Amazon or $15. So I'll link these below so you can find them too. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm glad it all fit in this. I mean, that's gonna be a space saver. So yeah. All right, so she's packed. She's ready to go on her first flight. I'm really praying that this goes well, because it could go bad, and I do not do well under pressure in a plane with a screaming child. So I really hope it goes well. I don't want to break out in a sweat. If you're a mom, you know what it's like when your kid starts freaking out in a store and it's embarrassing and you start sweating. So I hope that's not me. But she'll probably do pretty good. I'm excited. It'll be great. I'm just gonna tell myself it's gonna be great. She's gonna be great. It'll be great. She won't scream, but we'll see. So I'll keep you guys updated. We leave tomorrow at 6:30 in the morning, so we have to wake up not only with a baby to fly for the first time, but also at the butt crack of dawn. So that'll be fun. We gotta wake up at like 4 o'clock so we can get to the airport at like 5. Yay! But yeah, California's gonna be great. I'm super excited. We're definitely gonna be vlogging all of our trip when we're there, so I'll get to share that all with you guys. But if you have any questions about what I packed, go ahead, comment down below. I'd love to answer that for you. But I guess I'll see you next time. Bye guys.